Hey guys, I am going to post a recipe update. This is that mango and pineapple sorbet, okay? The different thing that I've done is one with the speed. So after you put all your fruit in and you start it up, only have it run on high for like 30 to 45 seconds just to get that fruit really chopped up. And then what helps out tremendously with the fruit, and you don't have to scrape it down and stop doing it, is turn it on low. Okay? So the mango and the pineapple. Also, I changed some of the ingredients. I'm using a whole teaspoon of salt. Now that might be too much salt for some of you. It could be. But I thought this dessert needed to be even more electrolytes. Okay? So an entire teaspoon of salt and half a cup of filtered or distilled water. Pour the fruit in, pour the salt all over your fruit, pour the water all over that. When you pour warm water over cold frozen fruit, it kind of crystallizes. And then with the high speed of only 30 to 45 seconds, and then the rest of the time, 5 minutes on low speed. You don't have to keep stopping it. You don't have to scrape. And it actually ends up being a much better electrolyte dessert. But, like I've said, some of you can't have that much salt. I can tolerate it. I don't know if you can. And I wanted to show you the color it comes out. It's bright yellow. So the other one was darker because I put cinnamon in it. Okay? I will have these new instructions in the description of this video. And let me know if you make the revised version. Thanks, guys. Enjoy. Bye-bye.